What up, people? How you doing? I just want to start by saying that I hope you're okay. And if you're not okay, it's okay to be not okay. There are lots of us in the same boat. We're all in this together, including me, and that it won't be like this all the time. Okay? I've just realised I've got the wrong glasses on, and that's why I've been looking over at you like this. I'm not trying to seduce you, I promise. All right, we're all familiar with this, aren't we? It's a jeweller's bench, look. But far, 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 far too many of you are no sitting properly at the bench. Pay attention to how low the seats are. See that? The seats have to be a bit lower because you have to sit a bit lower. It's the first thing that people notice when they come in to a jewellery workshop is how low everybody sits, and this is for a reason. When we sit at the jewellery bench, we sit low for a reason. It's because our eyes and nose have to be at the job. We have to be looking at what we're doing. If we are stooping down over it, we will bend and we will hunch. We will bend and we will hunch. We will bend and we will hunch. The ideal seating position, see the shoulder, an inch or two above the surface here, so that your bench peg is right here, so that if you do have to bend in, your back bends straight in, does not curve round like that, okay? You only get one back, we need to look after it. It is really, 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 really goddamn fucking important that you sit properly at your bench and look after your body, please. This is too high. My chest is where the bench peg is. Look how miles above where my shoulder is. This means that I'm stooped, curled over, leaning into the bench peg in a hunch manner. And honest to God, you're going to destroy your back. It's of paramount importance. I can't stress enough how important it is to sit at the bench properly. You need to sit down here. It needs to feel preposterously low. It's the first thing I noticed when I went into a jewellery workshop was that everyone sat comically low and it looked really funny. And I remember how stupid it looked, but it makes so much sense. I've been doing this a long time now, and I've looked over, I've looked after the way I sit at the bench, and that is why, touch wood and all that, I've not had many back or shoulder problems, and it's because the posture has been correct at the bench, and it's something that is overlooked. And I see lots of jewelers or other places teaching people where they're sitting far too high, and it's not right, and you need to stop doing it. You need to teach people to sit properly at the bench. And another thing, please, please, please don't sit and cross your legs. This is professional level stuff. You're not sitting at night watching a TV programme. You have to sit square on. Everything has to be right. Your back is straight, your core is there, and your legs are, hear that? Your legs are planted firmly on the floor. And this means that everything now is rock solid and there is balance to your body while you're making jewellery. I'm low and I can lean in without hunching over, okay? Sit properly at the bench. and look after yourselves. And not just in a jewellery sense, but in all walks of life. If you're struggling or you need to talk, I'm here. I'll talk to you, okay? See you later. Bye. Peace out.